Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our channel. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and it is another absolutely gorgeous day today. Today is Friday, March 14th, and it is 10:09 a.m. What I am going to attempt to do today, and you notice I said attempt, I am going to try to install some fence posts that I ordered so I can do the Florida weave on my raised beds. Oh my God. Okay, so again, that's the wind. Let the shenanigans begin. Did I say shenanigans or did I say shenanigans? I don't even know. But let them begin, whatever they are. Ow! Dang, that hurt. With me. Back it up. Oh, I see some ants. A whole bunch of them. I'm gonna have to do something about y'all. That is not acceptable. Am I gonna need, I don't know if I'm gonna need this yet. That's one. What's your name? What's your number? I'm glad I came. Okay, I think that's tight enough. I planted that in the wrong spot. That should have been more in the corner. Let me tie all my strings first, and then I'll start the weaving. One, two, three, four. Now I think this is how it goes. So we're gonna see. This probably needs to be down lower. Okay, I have it all set. Now, here's the thing, the question that I have. Are these supposed to go, I'll have to look online, you know, cross like it's sandwiching it instead of just coming straight up through the middle? Because there's got to be something else to keep it from falling to the sides, right? So I'm going to have to look at that. But I got my posts in, and I got all of the strings on. I went up 2 steps because some of them are pretty tall. And then when the time is needed, I will add another row or layer or set of strings. I don't know what I'm saying. All right. Here I am. So that is going to do it for today. It is a wonderful wind blowing out here. Just absolutely wonderful. Nice and cool. Not too hot. It's going to get up in the upper 70s, I believe, today. So right now, before the heat index hits at around 1 or 2, I'm done. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your 5th time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next time, take care. Bye. Video done.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.